Good morning. I think this is mile 248.4, Groundhog Creek Shelter. We stayed at this campsite. My tent was right here. Mike's was beside me right there. There's my bag. I'm about to finish it. And so you future friends and family come after us. That's the privy right there. So we up from the privy. Campsite right beside it. There's the shelter. And it's good to be out of the shelter. And there's the bear bags. We want to go to Walnut Shelter Day. Is about 14 miles or so away. Heard it was kind of mice infected, rat infected, and even trying to get holes in your tent. I don't know. Ideally, we'd like to get 16.9. There's a tent site, which makes it an easier walk into hot springs. But with my muscle pull, I just don't know. Mike's got it in him, but we got about, if we did that, it'd be five climbs, and some of them steep. And 16.9 would be the second most that we've done, and I don't believe we did that many climbs in it. Plus have the pain that I'm going through. So we'll see. Do the best we can. Just looking forward to hot springs tomorrow evening. Get some good burgers and stuff. So anyway, that's it, and let's see what happens today. Mile 254.5, over 4,500 feet. Pushing to try to get 17 miles today, pull muscle and all. It's a struggle, but we're pushing. Want to get to hot springs tomorrow at a decent time. Kids coming down. Alright, I'm going to go left to right. Somebody's got a truck up here somehow. So you can imagine it's cold up here, it's cold. They put on another layer. Not at the top of this yet. I might keep it on until we get to the top, but I don't. Water way off there. I don't know which one it is. I might quit it on. Record how my back does. A little bit. I'll try to video it. I see the road down there. Mike still hasn't gotten up here yet, but I'm gonna get as much as I can as he makes his way up. I have to, what I'm doing is I'm going as far as I can until the pain gets so intense in my back, left upper back, and before it gets intense, but it's before it hits the arm and chest, I go ahead and stop. So I've been averaging a mile. So I've been going as fast as I could till it hits me. Then I stop, and I'm okay for another mile. Up there, looks like there's a view that they were coming down while I go to kids. But I'm going on. I'm guessing the AT will give us a view here too. It is beautiful. Wish I knew what that lake was down there. Way down there. Yeah, I'm climbing now, as you can see the hikers up there above me still. Alright, There's people working up here. Interesting to find out what they're doing. Oh, it's pretty down that way. You can imagine all the weather, everything's going on. My cover, it's hard to tell how good of pictures I'm getting, but apparently it's still going okay over the Facebook and YouTube. Hello, fellow hikers.
Hi. Hey, how you doing?
I like your bag here.
Yeah.
Yours too? I wish I was worthy of it.
You want some trail magic?
No thanks. I'm all right.
Okay.
The guy after me may need some. Yeah, fighting for my back. I certainly stomp, but I have got to keep moving since I stop every mile. Hello, y'all making the mountain bigger?
Trying to keep the mountain where it is.
Oh, there you go. It's beautiful. It's cold though. Near the beginning of April. Keep that in mind. You want to do the AT. March and April in these parts of winter. Yeah. Now I've bought a little bit. I can't believe I turned out trail magic. Oh well. So what happens, you get into pain. I concentrate on that. Try to keep moving. Really want to get to Hot Springs tomorrow at a good time. Early enough so we can have an evening. And I get down there in time just to drive on home and get to bed. I want some cheeseburgers. Several. I like Chick-fil-A too. Oh man, I like to have some chocolate bars now. It's finally hit me. Let's see. Mr. Good Bar. Had that yesterday, gave me a taste for it. Nestle Crunch Bar. Oh my, and whole milk. A bunch of whole milk. With all that. Oh yeah. This is great. I'm gonna go all the way around here. Wonderful. Some work. Oh, look at that. I gotta work for a living again next year.
How you doing?
Doing fine. Oh man, thank you guys.
You're welcome.
Huh? Oh, you know, I might do that. As long as I got a vehicle to bring me up here. Volunteers, I guess it's the Appalachian, I didn't look, the Appalachian Trail Conservancy. People volunteer after hike this and come and help maintain it, do work on it. It's great. Maybe I'll get some skills by the time I get to Katahdin. That'll be to help them. I could be to get that person. Go get that. Go get that over there. Go get this. But who knows? Maybe I'll come home. Just, yeah, I can fix this, fix that. I do this, yeah. Man, doubt he would love that. She'd be shocked. Say, who are you? What a beautiful area. I was caught by surprise on this. That's the AT. I must be impressed because I'm keeping my hand out here in this cold. Forget it. I'll never want to forget this. I hate video and love video. It's a chore, but gosh, I'm going to be happy when it's all over. I get to go back and see these things and spur my memory over what's happening in the background. I'm trying to keep moving. Yeah, we got this deal today. Micah stopped when he needs a break. I stop when the pain hits, and I can tell when. So I had a temporary stop up there, but I wanted to video this, and I feel pretty good right now. What a great day, huh? Absolutely great. This is a beautiful, y'all live up here, I guess, right?
For right now.
Good, it's a beautiful country, love it. For right now? You don't leave this place? Yeah. My hand. I was thinking of wind blowing. I may need to talk closer to the phone, I guess. Yeah, this screen. $100 phone protector here. It's just, yeah. And this is like 250 some miles or 260 approach. On my second pair of glasses. I don't know what happened at first. There's a big rain one day in the Smokies. And I may show them on Facebook or YouTube, but good night. It's just spots. It's something doesn't look like a crack, and I don't think it is, but it's like, I don't know if water got in them. I don't know what it is, but trying to look out of them, they're now my secondary glasses, even though it's my best prescription. I have to I'm gonna use them as a backup. I can see out of them. It's just annoying having a big spot on left eye and a smaller one on the right. I hate that. And it happened. I couldn't get it to my wife, sent off. So my wife was already in the Smokies, of course. We'll take care of that later if we do. These glasses are holding up. They fall down some, and my eyes are getting used to them again. Hasn't hurt for a little bit. Maybe I need to hold the phone all the time like this. This way. I hope to live a long time. When I sit down with 10 grandchildren and talk about this stuff, at least 10. Oh, more than that, but I'm gonna give them a little break here. About to put it away, so I need to get feeling in my hand back, and the back is starting to kick in a little bit, so it won't work with the phone. All right, that was the third of the 5 major climbs we got today to get to our goal. Still pushing. Nice little area there. Give it one more shot. All right, that's enough. Just a little bit down from the top of that mountain. Interesting little place here. It's been pretty coming down. I need to take a break because I've let it go a little too far. So I'm probably gonna do that. Love the meadows. Looks like we're gonna go up that way. Got the fencing here, water down there. What campfire they had. Oh, I'm gonna wait on Mike here.